DJI Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be the most mind-blowing action camera of 2025, and the leaks surrounding it are setting the entire tech world on fire, with fans already calling it the GoPro killer that nobody saw coming. Because if even half of these rumored specs turn out to be true, DJI might just rewrite what we expect from a pocket-sized powerhouse camera. According to multiple credible leaks and insider sources, DJI is about to announce the Osmo Action 6 on October 24, 2025, and this thing is rumored to carry a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor, something that's absolutely insane for an action camera and unheard of in this category, promising dramatically better low-light performance, cinematic dynamic range, and image quality that could finally blur the line between tiny action cams and professional mirrorless shooters. Imagine a compact, waterproof device that captures every drop of light, every movement, every emotion, even in the darkest scenes, with the kind of clarity and realism we've only seen from high-end cameras before. And it's not just about that big sensor. Leaks also suggest that the Action 6 will support 8K video at 30 FPS, 4K at 120 FPS, and 1080p at 240 FPS, giving creators and vloggers the freedom to shoot buttery smooth slow motion or ultra-sharp cinematic shots without carrying bulky gear. Combine that with DJI's rumored new stabilization system, Rocksteady 4.0, powered by AI and improved motion algorithms, and you're looking at footage that stays perfectly stable even when you're running, jumping, surfing, or skydiving, as if the camera is floating on invisible rails. But DJI isn't stopping there. One of the most fascinating leaks mentions smartwatch integration, meaning the Action 6 could connect with an Apple Watch or Garmin to display live shooting stats, GPS tracking, and even remote control features directly from your wrist. That's a game changer for athletes, travelers, and adventurers who want to record without touching the camera. Visual leaks show a tougher, more rugged design with smoother curves, a larger lens cover, and possibly a vented top area for better heat management, which makes sense considering the heavy processing power needed for 8K video. Early insiders claim the camera can handle temperatures up to 45-degree creeks without throttling or overheating, addressing one of the biggest complaints from previous models and competitors. Like GoPro Hero 12 and 13, battery rumors are equally exciting. A 1900 mAh intelligent battery capable of delivering nearly 90 minutes of 4K shooting, with fast charge support taking it from 0 to 80% in just 18 minutes, which is perfect for travel creators who are always on the move. The waterproofing is expected to remain stellar, working up to 20 meters deep without a housing, while maintaining a lightweight body built from reinforced metal and weather-sealed materials for durability against dust, water, and shocks. The new magnetic mount system is rumored to be stronger and smoother, while keeping compatibility with older Osmo Action accessories, something every DJI user will appreciate. Leaks also mention dual touchscreens, one on the front for vlogging and one on the back for framing, both brighter and more responsive than before, making it effortless to use even in direct sunlight. But the true magic, as always, lies in DJI's software. Reports talk about an AI-powered feature called Horizon Sense, capable of keeping your footage level even if the camera rotates 360 degrees, which would be a dream come true for bikers, snowboarders, and drone pilots who demand perfect horizon leveling. On top of that, we might get a smarter DJI Mimo app with auto-editing AI, capable of selecting your best shots, syncing them with music, adding cinematic transitions, and creating ready-to-upload clips for Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, all within minutes. Other rumored upgrades include Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, Bluetooth 5.3, faster file transfers, built-in storage up to 64 GB, and enhanced color science that delivers deeper blacks, richer skin tones, and more natural sky gradients. Every leak screams that DJI wants to dominate both the creative and adventure markets simultaneously, giving professionals and hobbyists the power to create cinematic stories on the go. In terms of pricing, leaks suggest a starting point of around $429 USD for the standard version and $579 for the adventure bundle, which would include extra batteries, mounts, and a travel case, positioning it directly against GoPro Hero 13 Black's price tag, but with features that could easily justify the hype. If true, this is the most aggressive and confident pricing strategy DJI has ever used in the action cam space, signaling that they're ready to take over the segment completely. What's even more exciting is that the Osmo Action 6 might finally fix the overheating, battery, and sharpness issues that limited the Action 5 Pro, especially when shooting long clips in 4K or 5.3K. Content creators in the US, vloggers, athletes, filmmakers, and travelers are already buzzing on Reddit, Twitter, and YouTube about what this could mean for on-the-go shooting. Imagine strapping this camera to your bike, diving under the waves, or filming a cinematic city sequence, and knowing your footage will look like it came straight out of a Netflix documentary. The Action 6 seems engineered not just for action sports but for storytelling, with hardware that adapts to your creativity. The possibility of dual-channel audio recording and improved noise reduction mics could also make it an excellent vlogging tool. While the AI tracking mode, another rumored feature, could keep you in frame even when the camera is stationary, like having a built-in cameraman. DJI's track record gives us reason to believe at least some of these innovations will be real. Their drone line introduced technologies like obstacle sensing, smart follow, and horizon leveling years before competitors caught up, so an action camera infused with that same DNA could change the industry again. Still, every leak should be taken with a grain of salt. Nothing is official until DJI drops the trailer. We've seen brands hype features that don't always make it to the final product, so skepticism is healthy. The biggest technical challenge will likely be heat dissipation at 8K, storage bandwidth, and battery life under stress. 8K footage requires insane data rates, so DJI might use a more efficient codec like H.265, or even their own optimized format to keep files manageable. But even if DJI limits 8K to short bursts, the creative flexibility it offers for cropping or reframing shots later will be revolutionary. And for most creators, the ability to shoot crystal clear 4K at 120 FPS with ultra-smooth Rocksteady 4.0 stabilization is already more than enough to elevate content to professional standards. In short, this camera might be the perfect balance between power, portability, and polish. When we talk about storytelling devices, very few gadgets evolve to this degree, and DJI's Osmo Action 6 seems ready to become one of them. The leaks hint that this camera will have a new DJI Cinecore image processor, possibly similar to what DJI uses in its professional drones, unlocking faster image pipelines, better HDR, and real-time noise reduction. The result? Stunning video quality straight out of the camera, requiring less editing and more shooting. From a design standpoint, DJI appears to have learned from the feedback of the Action 5 Pro. Users wanted more cooling, better UI responsiveness, and improved color grading. And it looks like all of those boxes are being checked. If all goes as rumored, the Action 6 could outperform even premium smartphones like the iPhone 16 Pro Max or Samsung S26 Ultra in outdoor and underwater footage. And that's saying something. The inclusion of voice control improvements and gesture recognition might also make hands-free shooting smoother, especially when the camera is mounted in hard-to-reach spots. Add to that a potential quick-swap battery system, multi-mount adapter, and maybe even a modular ND filter kit, and you start realizing that DJI is building a complete content ecosystem, not just a standalone device. For creators in the US who film travel vlogs, cinematic B-rolls, or social content, the Osmo Action 6 could become the ultimate everyday camera, small enough for your pocket, yet powerful enough to shoot a brand commercial. However, it's always smart to wait for hands-on reviews before buying, because early firmware can make or break first impressions. If DJI nails the thermal control and image processing, this camera could dominate 2025, so should you wait or buy now? If you already own an Action 5 Pro or GoPro Hero 12, and you're not desperate for 8K, you might stick with what you have. But if you're serious about capturing cinematic shots, or want to future-proof your gear, wait